Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with some counting methods, and we've pulled this question out of the IEB's 2019 Supplementary exam. With that in mind, let's dive straight in. So we've got Mr. Buerta realized that he had forgotten his password to log into internet banking. His password is made of 5 letters, the first and last letters being the same, and the middle letters different to each other and different to the first and the last. He has 3 attempts before being locked out of his account. Right, they've specifically said to us, all answers should be accurate and not rounded. So number 1, how many passwords can he choose from? So that basic counting method type question. We start off by giving them a feel for so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are the potential letters that he can choose from. We've also been told that the first letter and the last letter are the same. Okay, they've also told us that these are different to these as well as each other. Okay, so very important information for us to remember. Okay, so starting off here, how many letters in the alphabet do we have? So we've got 26. So that means this first digit could have 26 different options. Okay, but the minute we've picked that one, we know it needs to be duplicated there. So there's only one option once we've picked that one. Right, now that we've picked one, we know that only 25 remain for that position. And then only 24 remain for that because we have to subtract those two. And then we've got 23 remaining for that last position. So those are the different combinations that we can have. So we're going to multiply all of those. And that is going to give us a total amount of 358,800 different combinations. So it's going to be really difficult for him to try and figure this out. I'm just going to erase that there. Cool. Determine the probability that he will unlock the account on the first attempt. Okay, so we know it's going to be really, really small. Okay, but essentially the probability that he will unlock on attempt 1. Okay, so he's got 1 attempt and there are literally 358,800 possibilities. And we leave the answer like that because they've specifically said all answers should be accurate and not rounded. So that is what we get there. Right, then we move on and he says, and they say to us, show mathematically that his chance of being locked out of his account on 3 attempts is almost 1. Okay, so let's see. Right, so his probability of being locked out. So we're going to say, right, the probability of him locked out is simply equal to the probability of, so 1 minus the probability that he won't get locked out. So he gets in. The probability of him getting in. Okay, so that's going to be 1 minus, so we know if he gets it on the first attempt, it's 1 over 358,800. So that's the probability of him getting in on the first attempt. If he doesn't get in on the first attempt and he tries again, it's going to be a probability of 1 over, and then it's going to be 358,799 because he's already tried one option. So there's only, one left. So he has to remove that option from the rest. And then because I'm running out of space, which is not great, what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase these two. You're more than welcome to rewind and all those sorts of things. But I'm going to erase that and I'm going to use a nifty tool here. Hopefully it works. I'm a nifty tool there. And I'm going to remove that up and I'm going to shrink it. That's pretty cool. Okay, great. So that's where we're at. Times 1 over, and we need to subtract another one because he's already tried 2. So then he's going to try another one of the remaining 358,798. And if you plug that into your calculator, you're going to find that it's very, 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 very close to 1. So with that in mind, we're going to approximate it to 1, and that will get you the full marks for this entire question. A very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Be sure to read all about them in the description below. Also, head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question. We'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.